We're going to shoot a Vickers test using the Smith & Wesson Model 351C. This is the 22 Magnum J-frame. I have CCI Maxi-Mag 40 grain hollow points loaded up in here. And we'll shoot this. I don't think I've shot any drills with this ammo yet. I've shot with the Federal Champion 40 grain FMJ. I had a single dud round with this ammo last week, the Maxi-Mag. Admittedly, that sucks, but also, like, I can just pull the trigger gun and shoot. You don't want to have dud rounds with defensive ammo, and the Maxi-Mag is one that I've seen recommended. I also have some Hornady FTX, like their self-defense ammo. Ballistic gel testing is worse on it, but I've seen it to be more consistent in these guns. I got some of that ammo here, too. I'm going to shoot some of that today, too. Yeah, slightly heavier bullet weight, so, you know, that might do better with certain layers of clothing, but regardless, we're just talking about the practical ballistics, not the terminal ballistics. So we're going to shoot this 7 rounds in 7 seconds, maximum of 70 points, minimum of 63 to pass in at 10 yards. So starting on beep here. And even with vigorously cleaning this gun, it does not want to extract rounds very easily. So I have speed strips for this gun, but expecting the gun to actually extract well, yeah, not great. So we're going to top off the gun here. So I cleaned it very, very well. Okay. 6:49, so just barely past the par time. And looking at the target, I dropped one fairly low there. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So minus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that would have been what, a 65 out of 70 in 649 from concealment. First round took a hot second to get lit off there because, again, this is something that happens when you're testing a bunch of different guns. I was just shooting my 442, which has worse different sights than this gun does. It also has different grips and a much different trigger, as in a better trigger. Excuse me, I'm making excuses, but the point being that going from one thing that is better to a different thing that is better in some ways but worse in other ways, it just threw me off a little bit. But we still passed the drill, so I can't complain too much there. I would have liked that number 7 hit to be and the 7-ring hit to have been in the black because the rest of the rounds were there. If I had to guess, that was probably the first round because I was acquiring the sight to press the trigger off there. But I can look back in the footage and figure out which one of the last two. But overall, aside from some of the quirks with this gun, like, you know, it missing half the Smith & Wesson logo right here, and it needing to be cleaned more often than a centerfire gun or an LCR and rimfire, I've been very happy with the 351C. So, thanks for watching.